and welcome to Family Activities. Each activity I have created, and I've created it with great care and love just for you. What I'm sharing with you, I've used for myself and I've given to hundreds of adults and children, and I've seen them get healthier and get more connected with themselves so they can connect with others. There's a quote from Confucius that says, "To put the world right in order, we must first put the nation in order. To put the nation in order, we must first put family in order. To put the family in order, we must first cultivate our personal life. We must first set our hearts right." My hope and intention is to do just that, to focus on you as an individual, a parent or a child, so that your heart is aligned with your true authentic self. So then you can come together as a loving, compassionate family. And when you do that, you show others how it can be done, inspiring more families to get healthy and stay connected, which is just super exciting. And that's just how we create a better world. Through these classes and activities, you also have the opportunity, if you want it, to connect with other like-hearted families where you can support each other and cheer each other along. When designing each activity, I have the 3 C's in mind. The 3 C's are a tool I use to help you build on and remember who you already are. Let's take a look at those 3 C's and how you can use them, not just in these activities, but in your daily life. Number 1, curiosity. Explore your curiosity. Engage with the things that light you up. Joy comes from fully participating in life, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, energetically. Explore what you're curious about. Follow it to see where it takes you. Imagine spending every day learning about what you're curious about. That's a great way to spend a lifetime. Exploring your curiosity encourages you to question everything, including what you find in these sessions. So be inspired what resonates to keep exploring and leave what doesn't. For example, my curiosity took me to sewing, and then I just kept on, seeing where that took me. And I've been making bags and quilts, which leads me to the next C, creativity. Nurture and express your creativity. Discover your true self in your own way. Life is a representation of what you created. You are the co-creator of everything in your life. Everything you need to make it your best life possible, you already have within you. You are ready to go. Make these activities your own. You might find a better way of doing something than what I've suggested. Go for it and let me know. I might want to use it. Our 3rd C is connection. Strengthening your connection is a personal process. Connect with your heart to build a better relationship with yourself and others. Our minds have been running the show for way too long. This is the process of dropping from the mind into the heart, listening to what it has to say, which is unique to you. It's a private conversation, not a conference call. So only you know what it has to say. Be aligned with that. My intention with all these activities is to give you tools to be healthier and more connected as a family. It's also a great way to learn about yourself and each other, connecting in ways you normally wouldn't. Make time to meet me here physically, emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. And I encourage you to give this your 100% participation and engagement. The more consistently you integrate the tools in these activities, you'll find it's easy to make it part of your lifestyle. You feel better, aka less sickness, have more energy, and just generally be an amazing high-vibing human. You'll also remember what brings you joy, what excites you, so you can just go and do more of that. Growth and evolution of humanity manifests when we prioritize family, community, and resources set up by the community to serve it. You have everyone in the Healthy Whole community cheering you along, myself included. I'm so excited to get started. Thank you for being here with me. I can't wait to hear about your experiences. And most importantly, have fun.